Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review EQ Bank. EQ Bank is a great choice for Canadians who want to earn high interest on their money without paying monthly fees. Its Saving Plus account offers strong, ongoing rates, often over 2% with no minimum balance, unlimited free Interac e-transfer, and free bill payments. The bank is fully online with no physical branches, but its apps and website are easy to use for most people. You also get access to a prepaid EQ Bank card with its 0.5% cashback and no ATM fees within Canada, and international transfers are cheap. It's CTIC insured, offers tools like savings goals, and even supports joint accounts. However, there are a few downsides. Some users report frustrating app glitches, login issues, and delays accessing their accounts, which can cause serious stress. There are also no physical branches for in-person help, and cash withdrawals require transferring money to another bank. While customer support exists, response times can be slow during peak hours. The $200,000 deposit limit per account may be a drawback for high saver, and there's no USD bill pay option. Overall, EQ Bank is excellent for digital savvy users who want a strong savings features, but it may not be ideal as your online bank if you need quick, physical access to your money. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.